If you have student loan debt and are looking to buy a home in Kentucky, you're not alone. This video will guide you through the 2025 guidelines. Many first-time homebuyers face the challenge of understanding how student loans impact mortgage qualification. The good news is, each loan program has its own approach. For FHA loans, all student loans must be included. Lenders typically use the greater of 0.5% of the outstanding balance, or the payment shown on your credit report. VA loans offer flexibility. If your student loan debt is deferred for more than 12 months, no payment is required in your debt-to-income ratio. For USDA loans, fixed payments are used. For non-fixed or deferred payments, lenders are required to use 0.5% of the current balance. Fannie Mae loans use the credit report payment if accurate. For income-driven repayment plans, the actual documented monthly payment, even if $0, can be used. Freddie Mac loans consider the greater of the credit report payment, or 0.5% of the higher of the original or outstanding balance. Loan forgiveness or employment contingent repayment can lead to payment exclusion. The key takeaway is that student loan debt doesn't automatically disqualify you from buying a home in Kentucky. It's all about how your payments are calculated. Student loan guidelines for qualifying for a mortgage loan in Kentucky. Loan type student loan payment requirement (FHA) must be included in the borrower's liabilities, regardless of the payment type or status. The payment amount must be either black small square, the greater of 0.5% of the outstanding balance on the loan, or monthly payment reported on the borrower's credit report, or black small square. The servicer's documented payment, provided the payment will fully amortize the loan over the repayment term period VA deferred. A payment does not need to be included if written evidence supports that the student loan debt will be deferred beyond 12 months of closing. In repayment, include loans with payments starting within 12 months. Calculate threshold payment as a rate of 5% of outstanding balance divided by 12 months. If credit report payment is higher, use credit report payment. If current documentation from student loan servicer reflects actual terms and payment for each loan, the verified payments may be used, even if less than the threshold payment calculation. USDA fixed payment, a permanent amortized fixed payment, is used when documentation supports fixed payment, interest, and term. Non-fixed payment use 0.5% of the loan balance reflected on the credit report. Payment arrangements that are deferred or non-fixed, income-based repayment, IBR, graduated, adjustable, interest-only, etc., may not be used. Fannie loans in repayment period, black small square. If provided, use the credit report payment black small square. If credit report is incorrect, obtain student loan documentation from the servicer to verify the payment used for qualification income-driven repayment plan. Use the student loan documentation to verify the actual monthly payment. Borrower may be qualified with a $0 payment if the documentation supports it. Loans in deferment or forbearance, black small square. A payment equal to 1% of the outstanding student loan balance, even if this amount is lower than the actual fully amortizing payment. Or black small square. A fully amortizing payment using the documented loan repayment terms. Freddie loans in repayment period. Use the greater of payment reported on credit report, or 0.5% of the higher of original or outstanding loan balance as shown on credit report. Licensing information. NMLS Personal ID, 57,916. Company NMLS ID, 1,738,461 EVO Mortgage. Licensed to originate mortgage loans in Kentucky only. Equal housing lender. For licensing info, go to www.nmlsconsumeraccess.org. About the author. Joel Lobb is a licensed Kentucky mortgage loan officer with more than 20 years of experience helping families across Kentucky achieve homeownership. Specializing in FHA, VA, USDA, and KHC loan programs, Joel has guided over 1,300 families through the mortgage process. Contact information: phone 502-905-3708. Email kentuckyloan@gmail.com.